that next target. Not to mention Bitcoin cryptocurrency here in the daily level, each candle represent a day would offer objective short trade entry on a backtest retest of my key 23,830 price resistance. And really what had happened is that we came out and backtested. That was the day the video I dropped came out, had a false breakout, which is even more bearish on a close on the exact same day, closed right below it, and hit again for a third time on a triple top scenario here. Perfect triple top here off that key 23,830 price resistance. Hit my first target for a 4.6% drop, and this so far has been good for a 7.6% drop, coinciding with this primary downtrend line here, secondary downtrend line off the mid-May reactionary highs with multiple and continuous reactionary highs to help validate that, with again the 50 exponential and 50-day moving average honing in and hugging that primary downtrend line, coinciding with the 23,830 price resistance, set up for a triple inflection point of resistance, and that's exactly what we had. Never looked back since. We'll zoom in here on the 240-minute hour interval, each candle representing 4 hours, and as you can tell here, we came out into the bud and put in that huge divergent high that I've been talking about. We had confirmed negative divergence here on the RSI, and looked like we briefly popped and burned out the divergence here in the MACD, but had a momentum fueled overshoot, and the oscillator as well, almost break even on sort of that point. But the negative divergence, confirmed divergence on the RSI divergence, really did spell out for it. And especially if you had watched this primary downtrend line here, really off the beginning of May reactionary highs with multiple and continuous reactionary highs to help validate that, and to the button here, to the button, good for a 8.65% drop. Darn near hitting my first target here, which I suspect, again, you want to collect a little bit briefly before it actually hits the actual target, where you have dip buyers already set up a little bit stemmed up above that 2178 price support and or short covering, start to send the price action in the opposite direction. But again, that was good for an 8.6% drop off